Today I'll be talking about Transformer toys. Pause because I'm not sure what to say. So if you're gonna make the jump to get collecting in Transformer toys like these, it's a pretty expensive hobby. I think it's probably more expensive than video games. This is Ultra Magnus. It's not hard to find, but it's just I think it's kind of pricey. This little toy is $50. So for $50, this is what you get: a gun, a robot. You can see the gun itself is already loose. It doesn't hold into the hand well. And so here on Amazon, you can see that it costs... You can't even get it from Amazon. You have to get it from third-party seller, and it's around $60. I'm not about paying more than retail price, so I tried looking around. From time to time, Target has sales, but they're all in-store sales for the most part. It's hard to order anything online. The same thing with Walmart now. Like, I want to buy a lot of these toys, but it's not possible. This is actually surprising. I can add this to my cart. So this retail price, and this is where I think my wife got it. I think it ships directly from Hasbro. So the thing I wanted to mention was, is this worth $50? This direct toy. Well, I got it out of the box. This little gun piece was really loose and would just fall down. So I wanted to mention that super glue or crazy glue is your friend at this point. I super glued this end. Just add a little super glue to the end over here. And so now it fits a little tighter, tight enough to the point where my kid isn't complaining about it being loose. And like I had mentioned, the gun itself is really loose now too. I had to do this to a number of other guns. So eventually, if you're using this to play, you might have to super glue the gun also. So, I mean, this is little minor things, but for $50, I didn't know I would have to be super gluing parts. So that's the second part that has come off. So the gun is a point of weakness on this. Finally, the last thing, which is probably user error on my part, but if you're considering getting a Transformer with the heads with antennas, I've already had a few Optimus Prime antennas come off, and you can see over here, this is my botched attempt at super gluing the antenna back, because it's already broken 2 or 3 times. And so like I said, that part, the antenna thing, was kind of my fault. I mean, I didn't break it. My little 5 or 3-year-old broke it, but still, if you're considering getting into this hobby, just know that a lot of these toys, War for Cybertron, Seige, or even the what's it called, Cyberverse versions, they're not built to last. I'm not even sure if they're built to play, because they break so... To me, they break so easily. Others might say they don't break so easily, but it doesn't seem like they're built so you can actually play with them. My kids, I let them play with them, and so now they're all smashed. I can't sell this to any collector, but still, I think the whole point with toys is that you can play with them. Other than that, this Ultra Magnus is pretty cool once you take this guy off his armor and stuff. But actually, I don't even know how to transform this thing. So I will say, is this worth $50? I don't think so. If you could get it for $40, I'd say that's a pretty good deal. $30 if you look around. But it's hard. It's hard finding a deal on this one. Sometimes Walmart has sales, and Target has these like buy one get the second one 50% off. But the hard part is just finding the toy itself. They never have this stuff available online. So, like I said, sometimes it's hard getting a deal. Like, even Amazon gets deals from time to time too, but I've only had better success getting the smaller lines of Transformers, like this guy, that might be on sale.